Now, calculation of gram equivalent weight for acids. Here, using the formula, gram equivalent weight is equal to formula weight or molecular weight by taken as basicity. What is basicity? Number of replaceable of hydrogen atoms by metal. What is basicity? Number of replaceable of hydrogen atoms by metal is called basicity. So for example, can take it as here HCl. HCl formula weight is 36.5. Basicity is 1. A replaceable of hydrogen atoms 1. That is why gram equivalent weight of HCl is 36.5 grams. Like H2SO4 molecular weight is 98. You are taken as by 2. It becomes 49 grams. Like H3PO4, it becomes also 98 by 3 is equal to, here 3 2 ja, 3 3 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6, remaining 32.6 H3PO4. But whereas H3PO3, here H3PO3 molecular weight is how much? Phosphorus 31, hydrogens 3, each oxygen 16, 16 into 3, 48. How much here? 72. So that's why here molecular weight is how much? 72 by taken as here 2 only, but not 1, but not 3. Here expect as 3 hydrogens. Here basicity expressed as 3, but not 3. Here basicity is taken as 2. So therefore, what is the value? 36. Why here basicity is 2 but not 3? Here observe the structure of H3PO3. This is called phosphorus acid. Phosphorus acid structure is here P, OH, hydrogen, here OH and double bond O. Now see, here out of 3 hydrogen atoms, one of the hydrogen atom is directly attached to phosphorus. So this hydrogen can be very difficult to remove the hydrogen atom. So whereas remaining 2 hydrogen atoms are there, this one and this one can be easily replaceable hydrogen atoms. So that's why phosphorus acid is a dibasic acid but not tribasic acid. Then you can take it as here basicity is 2 only. Like that, one more is H3PO2. This is called hypophosphorus acid. Here also hypophosphorus acid molecular weight is how much? Phosphorus 31, oxygens 2 oxygens 32, hydrogens 3. Total here 66. Therefore, here can take it as 66 by not 3. Here taken as 1 only. It becomes 66. Why? Because here also, here H3PO2 structure is P, OH. Here 2 hydrogen atoms are directly attached to central phosphorus atom. So therefore, these 2 hydrogen atoms are not replaceable. Only this one is replaceable of hydrogen atom. Then here is H3PO2, basicity is taken as 1. This is called hypophosphorus acid. This is called phosphorus acid. This is called phosphoric acid. So the phosphoric acid basicity is equal to number of hydrogens. Phosphorus acid hydrogen basicity is 2. Hypophosphorus basicity is 1. Because of here depends on your structure. So then here the basicity means number of replaceable of hydrogen atoms by metal. So these are the some examples of for acids to calculate the gram equivalent weight. So like that, other substance. Next, for bases. For bases to calculate the gram equivalent weight is equal to, again, formula weight by acidity. What is mean by acidity? Number of replaceable of hydroxyl groups. That is called OH groups. Is called acidity. Now can take your examples. NaOH, sodium hydroxide. This formula weight is of 40 because of sodium 11, oxygen 16, here hydrogen 1. So now how much here? Sodium is taken as 23. Sodium 23, oxygen 16, here hydrogen 1. Total becomes 40. So now here molecular formula weight is 40, but basic acidity is how much? 1. Because of here how many hydroxyl groups? 1 OH group. So sodium hydroxide 40 by 1 is equal to 40. Like that. Calcium hydroxide formula CaOH taken twice. Calcium atomic weight 40, 2 oxygens 32, 2 hydrogens 2. It becomes 74. That is formula weight. Formula weight 72 by here. Acidity is how much? 2. Because of 2 hydroxyl groups, it becomes 2, 3 are 6, 2, 6 are 36. So like that, aluminum hydroxide. Aluminum hydroxide. Aluminum 27. Here 3 oxygens 48, 3 hydrogens 3. It becomes 15 plus 3, 18. Here 78. Therefore 78 by how much can take? 3. It becomes 3 2 jar 6. So again here 3 6 jar 18, 26. So that is a here calculation of equivalent weight for bases. Next, calculation of equivalent weight for salts. How to calculate for equivalent weight for salts? In this case, using formula weight by total charge of either cation or anion is the formula. For example, taken as here sodium chloride NaCl. Formula weight is 58.5 divided by here charge is how much? Either sodium charge 1, chlorine charge 1. That's we can take it as 1 only. It becomes 58.5. So like that. Magnesium chloride. Magnesium is 24. 2 chlorine 71. It becomes 95. Therefore here can take as 95 by how much? 2. Because of magnesium charge is plus 2. Each chlorine charge minus 1. 2 chlorine minus 2. That's why 95 by 2. It becomes equal to 2 4 jars, 2 7 jars and 5. 47.5. So like that here Al2 SO4 taken thrice. So now formula weight by how much can take? Here aluminum sulfate. Aluminum sulfate dissociated into 2Al plus 3 plus 3SO4 minus 2. Total cation charge plus 6. Total anion charge minus 6. That's why can take as here by 6. So that is a calculation of equivalent weight for salts. Like that, calculation of equivalent weight for another substance that is called oxidants or reductants. Oxidants or reductants. In this case, to calculate by using formula, gram equivalent weight is equal to formula weight by transfer of electrons per 1 mole of the substance. Transfer of electrons per 1 mole of the substance. So for example, can take it as here KMnO4, potassium permanganate. A potassium permanganate in acidic medium, basic medium as well as neutral medium acts as a oxidizing agents. So it is one of the oxidant. It acts as oxidant. So in various mediums, can take here in acidic medium. Here permanganate ion, that is MnO4 minus ion, converts into Mn plus 2. MnO4 minus ion converts to Mn plus 2. So now you know balancing of equation acidic medium. How to balance here? MnO4 minus gives rise to Mn plus 2. Here how many oxygens? 4 oxygens should be taken as 4H2. How many hydrogens? 8H plus. And here balance the charges involving how many electrons? 5 electrons. So now based on the balancing equation, your transfer of electrons is how much? 5 electrons per 1 mole of the permanganate ion. Therefore, your gram equivalent weight is equals formula weight. Formula weight is how much? 158 by taken as here 5. That is equal to 5 3 ja 15, 5 1 ja 5, again 3 means here 31.6. That is the gram equivalent weight of KMnO4 in acidic medium. Now, like that, in basic medium, can take in basic medium, what happens? In basic medium, permanganate ion MnO4 minus converted into MnO4 minus 2. That is called permanganate ion converted to manganate ion. This is MnO4 minus 2 is called manganate ion. In this case, 4 oxygens, here 4 oxygens, here minus 1, minus 2. Here only in this reaction involving 1 electron only. That's why your gram equivalent weight is taken as here formula weight 158 by 1. This is especially in strong basic medium. Whereas in neutral medium, or weak basic medium, here weak basic medium or neutral medium, here KMnO4 converted to MnO2, or MnO4 minus ion converted to MnO2. Here the oxygen state of manganese is O plus 7, the oxygen state of manganese is O plus 4. Here the difference of here involving how many electrons? 3 electrons are participates. Therefore, your gram equivalent weight you can take it as here 158 by how much? 3. It becomes 52.6. This is the gram equivalent weight of KMnO4 in different mediums exhibits the different equivalent weights. So that is why here equivalent weight is may or may not be constants. So the KMnO4 in acidic medium 158 by 5, in strong basic medium 158 by 1, in neutral medium 158 by 3. So that is why here equivalent weight is may not be constants. So like that can take here one of the reductants. Here H2C2O4 2H2O. This is called oxalic acid. It acts as a reductant. Reductant means it acts as reducing agent. But it selfly undergoes so oxidation takes place. What happens? A C2O4 minus 2 oxidized to HCO2. Now balancing of this equation, 2CO2 and charges are balanced by 2 electrons. Therefore here gram equivalent weight is equal to your formula weight divided by 2, because here involving 2 electrons transferred for 1 mole of the substance. So like that, you have to calculate the equivalent weight for oxidants or reductants with respect to transfer of electrons per 1 mole of the substance. So this is the calculation of equivalent weights for various substances. Then using equivalent weights to calculate the normality. Okay, understand? So now you completed now molarity and normality. So molarity and normality knows. But what is the relationship between molarity and normality? So now that is called relationship between capital M and N. Nothing but molarity and normality. Here normality is equal to molarity into N. What is N? N is a factor. Your factor is equal to basicity for acids, acidity for bases, charge for salts, transfer of electrons for oxidants or reductants. So that is the meaning of here N factor. So that normality is equal to molarity into N factor. So that is the relationship between molarity and normality. Second here, normality, you are using the formula right about also weight by gram equivalent weights. Molarity is equal to weight by gram molecular weights. So this is molarity, normality into N factor. Weight becomes cancelled. Then what happened? Your N factor also becomes equal to gram molecular weight by gram equivalent weight. N factor. So this is the relation between molarity and normality. So if you know the molarity can be converted into normality by multiply with the N factor. For example, here molarity of H2SO4 is 2m. Then normality is how much? So the normality is equals molarity is 2 and here N factor. N factor for H2SO4 is how much? 2. That is equal to here 4n normality. So here based on the N factor, here converted into the normality. So that is the correct. So whereas for NaOH solution, molarity and normality both are same because of NaOH is a monoacidic base. So that is here by using the relationship with formula can be useful for calculation of the molarity and normality. So this is another method for normality to calculate the concentration of the solution.